Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Today, I want to talk about our future and dreams. I think it is very exciting to share our goals and plans for the future. What do you think?
I agree, Alice. I like talking about my dreams and my plans. It makes me feel happy and motivated.
Yes, dreams are very important. They help us decide what to do every day. Do you have any big goals for the future, Ben?
I do. I want to finish my studies and get a good job. I want to work in a big company and maybe travel around the world. What about you, Alice?
I have many dreams too. I want to become a teacher, like my mother, and help children learn. I also want to study more and travel to many countries.
That sounds very nice. I think teaching is a great job. What kind of teacher do you want to be?
I want to be a kind teacher who helps children love learning. I want to teach English and art because I enjoy both subjects.
I like that idea. It is important to help others learn and grow. I want to work in technology. I study computer science, and my goal is to work with new ideas.
Your goal is very interesting, Ben. Technology changes every day. It is good to learn new skills and be creative.
Yes, I believe that if I work hard, I can be successful. I plan to study more, learn new computer programs, and maybe create my own app one day.
That is a great plan. I also plan to study and improve my skills. I want to take extra classes in art and education.
I think studying extra helps a lot. It is a good way to prepare for the future. What are some of your personal dreams, Alice?
I have a few dreams. One of my dreams is to travel to Europe and see famous museums and art galleries. I also want to learn new languages so I can talk to people from other countries.
I like that. Learning new languages is very useful. I also dream of traveling. I want to visit Japan and Spain. I want to see beautiful temples and taste different foods.
Japan is very interesting. I have seen pictures of beautiful gardens and ancient temples there. And Spanish food sounds delicious.
Yes, I have read that Spain has great food and lively festivals. I want to enjoy the culture and meet new people.
It is wonderful to have dreams about travel. I feel that traveling helps us learn about the world and ourselves.
I agree, Alice. When we travel, we learn about history, art, and even how people live. It is an adventure that opens our minds.
Let me ask you, Ben, what do you do to work toward your dreams?
I try to study hard every day and practice my computer skills. I also read many articles and watch videos about technology. I set small goals, like learning a new word in programming every day.
That is very smart. I also set small goals for myself. I write a list of things I want to learn, such as a new art technique or a new English word. Every little step helps me get closer to my dream.
Yes, small steps are important. I believe that every goal starts with a small action. For example, If I want to build an app, I will start by learning one computer language at a time.
Exactly. And when we reach one goal, we can set another one. It is like climbing a ladder, one step at a time.
I like that idea. Climbing a ladder slowly is a good way to think about progress. Do you have any plans for the next few months, Alice?
Yes, I do. In the next few months, I want to take a short course in art and try to improve my drawing skills. I also plan to volunteer at a small school to practice teaching.
Volunteering is a good idea. It will help you learn more about teaching and work with children. I plan to join a new computer club at my school to practice coding with my friends.
That is great, Ben. Working with friends makes learning fun. When we share our ideas, we learn more.
I feel the same way. I like discussing my projects with friends because they help me see different ideas.
Let's talk more about our long-term dreams. What is your dream job, Ben?
My dream job is to be a software engineer in a big company that works on new technology. I want to create programs that help people and make their lives easier. And what is your dream job, Alice?
I want to be a teacher who inspires students. I want to create a friendly classroom where children love to learn. I also dream of writing my own books about art and education.
That is very nice, Alice. Writing books is a big dream. I think it is important to share your ideas with many people.
Yes, I believe that when I write, I can help other teachers and students. It is a way to pass on what I have learned.
I agree. Sharing knowledge is one of the best ways to improve our world. I sometimes imagine that my work in technology will help many people in the future.
I like to think about the future and how we can change the world. I believe that small actions can make a big difference over time.
Yes, every small step counts. Even if I start with a small app, it can grow and help many users.
I feel that our dreams and plans are like seeds. We must water them with hard work and time so they can grow.
That is a beautiful idea, Alice. I will remember that. I try to work every day, even if it is just a little, because I know that will help my dream grow.
And I will do the same. I know that with practice, I can become a better teacher and a better artist.
I think our dreams also help us stay positive. When I feel tired or discouraged, I look at my goals and remember why I work so hard.
Yes, thinking about our dreams gives us energy. Sometimes, when things are hard, I imagine my future classroom and my students smiling. It makes me happy and motivates me.
That is a good way to think about the future. I imagine a day when I can share my technology with many people. It makes my heart light.
Do you ever write your dreams down, Ben?
Yes, I do. I keep a small notebook where I write my goals and my dreams. I write what I want to do next and what I have done so far. It helps me remember my progress.
I also keep a journal. I write about my daily plans, my small successes, and my hopes for the future. It makes me feel proud of my work.
That is a very good habit. It also helps me see that even if progress is slow, every day I am closer to my dream.
I sometimes read my journal after a long time and feel happy to see how far I have come.
Yes, it is like looking at a photo album of our journey. We see all our hard work and all our dreams.
I believe that dreaming is not just about wishing. It is about planning and working hard to make our dreams real.
Absolutely, Alice. Dreams give us direction. They tell us what we want to do, and then we take action.
Sometimes I talk with my family about my dreams. They always encourage me and give me advice.
My family does the same. My parents always tell me to work hard and to be patient. They believe in my dreams, and that makes me feel strong.
I feel lucky to have supportive family and friends. They make my dreams seem possible.
I agree. When you have people who believe in you, it is easier to face challenges.
Do you have any fears about the future, Ben?
Sometimes I feel a little nervous about the future because I do not know what will happen. But I try to focus on my goals. I believe that if I work hard, I can overcome my fears.
I sometimes feel the same way. The future is unknown, but I like to think of it as an adventure. Every challenge is a chance to learn.
Yes, an adventure is a good word for the future. I want to enjoy every step, even if it is hard.
We must be brave and try new things. If we fail, we learn and grow.
That is true. I once tried a new project at school, and it did not go well at first. But I learned from my mistakes, and now I do better.
I have learned many lessons from my failures too. They are like lessons that make us stronger.
I am happy to see you are positive about the future, Alice. Your dreams inspire me.
Thank you, Ben. Your dreams and plans also make me feel excited. I believe that one day we will achieve our goals.
I believe so too. With hard work, patience, and support, we can reach our dreams.
Let's promise to talk about our future plans again soon. It is very nice to share our goals and see our progress.
I promise, Alice, I will write down my new goals and share them with you. We can help each other and learn from our experiences.
That is a great idea, Ben. Our friendship makes our journey more joyful and full of hope.
Yes, I always feel better after talking with you. Thank you for sharing your dreams, Alice.
Thank you, Ben. I am happy to have a friend like you who also dreams big and works hard.
I look forward to our future adventures, Alice. May we both reach our goals and make our dreams come true.
I wish that too, Ben. Have a wonderful day, and remember to follow your dreams step by step.
Thank you, Alice. I wish you all the best, too. See you soon, and let's keep dreaming.
Goodbye, Ben.
Goodbye, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.